Hey everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make the plug character puppet from Don't Hug Me, I'm Scared. You will need a board, cardboard, paper, black paint, yellow paint, grey paint, and dark grey paint. Also, this tutorial isn't professional either. I just made this puppet with some materials I found around my house. Cut the board into the shape of the puppet's head. Then, using the remaining pieces of board, make a cut for the body. Now, if there are still some pieces of the board left, use a small piece for his neck. Now let's use paper to cover all parts of the board so the puppet is completely white.
Unemployed Brendan. Take it away, Brendan.
I don't want to do this anymore. Ow! My hand!
You're right.
What did you say to me?
Is your hand all
Are
right?
you going to publish my novel?
No.
Then leave me alone!
Now paint his head black, but don't paint the sides, because the sides are white.
What are we doing?
Oh no, it's the funeral. It's the funeral, sorry.
Paint his neck dark grey. Paint his body grey. Now use the cardboard to make your mouth and eyes. Place paper in his eye until it becomes completely white and paint his pupil black and his mouth dark grey. Now make cardboard cubes for the yellow parts of his head. Place paper on the cardboard cube until it turns white.
They're creeping round the corner, fiddling with the door.
Who is?
Hiding in your garden, sleeping on the roof.
No.
Renting you a function room,
That's nice.
stepping on your toes. And now you need the toilet. They're messing up the town. Well, if I brought you a precious gem, you wouldn't just leave it lying round. Well, you'd put it in a box and cover it with locks and bury it deep under the ground.
But we're looking for the mayor.
I would like a gem.
Quiet.
He wasn't in his house and he's nowhere to be found.
Well, you say that you love your town, but look at all the danger. Any old stranger could walk right in and pinch you on the lash. Look inside your lunchbox, take out all your front teeth. Look at this, what a silly mess. It's not secure at all, some uninvited guest to sneak right in, fiddle with a bit.
Paint the cardboard cube yellow.
Well, you better lock it up.
Because we don't have a door.
Who's taking all our stuff?
I think you need the toilet.
Wait, look, guys. Footsteps leading up to the gate. I mean, sorry, I know it's a song and stuff, but isn't that the mayor? Maybe we should just look outside here, get a search party going.
But I thought you loved your town. Don't you want to stop it from rotting down?
Yeah, but what about
Yes, you do, I'm sure.
They're definitely his footprints.
If we were
Maybe we'll find his whereabouts.
Then we can make it better.
Well, I'm gonna go.
and we'll get this place secure.
All right.
Wow,
See ya.
you and your key friend really know what you're talking about when it comes to making Clay Hill safe. Yeah, maybe you can be our new mayor.
What? Me? The mayor?
And there you have it. You've made the plug puppet from Don't Hug Me, I'm Scared.
I am your new mayor.
Bye.